Can I remove a device from my Amazon Prime account once it has been added?
In this video, we'll be discussing how to remove a device from your Amazon Prime account once it has been added. This is a useful step to take when you want to stop a device from accessing your account, such as when you are selling it or giving it away.
Is it possible to remove a device from my Amazon Prime account?
Yes, it is possible to remove a device from your Amazon Prime account. By doing so, you'll prevent the device from accessing your account and any content or services associated with it.
How do I remove a device from my Amazon Prime account?
Follow these simple steps to remove a device from your Amazon Prime account. 1. Log in to your Amazon account on a web browser. 2. Go to Your Account and then click on Content and Devices. 3. Under the Devices tab, you'll find a list of all the devices registered to your account. 4. Locate the device you want to remove and click on the Actions button beside it. 5. In the drop-down menu, select Deregister to remove the device from your account.
What happens when I remove a device from my Amazon Prime account?
Once you remove a device from your Amazon Prime account, the device will no longer be able to access your account, including any purchased or rented content. Additionally, the device will lose access to any Prime benefits such as Prime Video, Prime Reading, and Amazon Music.
Can I re-add a device to my Amazon Prime account after removing it?
Yes, you can re-add a device to your Amazon Prime account after removing it. To do so, simply follow the device registration process again. Keep in mind that you may need to re-download any content or apps that were previously available on the device. In summary, it is possible to remove a device from your Amazon Prime account, and doing so will prevent the device from accessing your account and its associated content and services. You can easily re-add the device to your account if needed by following the registration process again.